Yes, that is Dolly chewing on her foot. And that is Dusk chewing on Dolly as Dolly chews on her foot. So they just had regular food, real food for the first time. So they're like dead. D-E-D. Dead puppy. We've got dead puppy syndrome going on. Looky. We got twitchies. Oh, we got some more twitchies over here. There's Echo eating. You hear her chomping. Look at that belly. That's Daisy. She's a chumpy little girl. There's Sky. And then there's Dusk just creeping across the pool. We got a twitchy puppy in the corner. Twitchy puppy. There we go. We got twitchies. Oh, Daisy's gonna stretch. And Dusk is like, ooh, how exciting. Duncan is dreaming. I'm gonna go over and chew on his feet. Here comes Donner. He's gonna come creeping across. He's gonna sleep on someone. And then there's Dusk is gonna chew on Dutch. Alright. They're all so tired because they've all had real puppy food for the first time. Oh, wait, who is this? That's Ghost. Just curled up down there sleeping. Okay. Yoop! Hi, Dusk. Dusky. Alright, that's good.